Hello, my name is Berta Garcia. Valued method. The method with which the negotiations will be carried out is the market method, since the consultant carries out the study of the license agreements in other companies similar of the company of Software Colombia S.A. He concluded that the royalty rate for the use of license is a range that oscillates between 15% and 20% of the project income, and this gives a higher value to the patents. For this study, royalties we established fixes according to percentage that ranging between 15 and 20% of the projected income, and this gives value to patents. General condition of the listening. Proprietary software is software that is not free or same-free use, redistribution or modification of prohibited or requires you to request authorization to the access your source code. It will be an individual license stipulated in a specific period whereby of some time offsetting a competitive price of the market in the following years. Thank you.